Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to install a rear wiper on this 2014 Honda Odyssey. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Now with the old wiper blade on, we'll just grab the arm and we're going to take the blade, just twist it like this, and it'll slide out just like that. That's where it attaches. It's kind of slotted. So we'll take the new wiper arm. We're going to install it the same way we took this one out. There's two little ears on there. Those are going to go towards the bottom. Just slide this. Once that's in position, and we can twist it, lock it back down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.